standardized, a normal curve standardized by z-score. All right, if I'm told to find area between, so I'm going to read area between, and I will read area to the left, and I'll read area to the right. So let's go. We're going to read area between for now. And I'm going to pull one question from I'm going to pull one question from, okay. And then I'm going to clear what is here, even though sometimes it doesn't want to clear. So we are doing number 3 again, but this time we are reading the chart. We are not using calculator. We are reading the chart. Okay, so let me try and clean this off. Yeah, it takes a little slow. All right, so if I'm reading area between, that one is easy. What I'm going to do is find the z-score, or find the z-chart of 1.28. So let me get this. So I am going to clear. So read the chart to find area. So we're reading the chart to find the area from 0 to 1.28 crooked. 0 is the mean. 1.28 is greater than the mean. I'm told to read this area from the z-chart. So what I do, because it's area between, I will find z of the upper bound. Z of 1.28 equal to, I'm going to put it here, and I will subtract z of the lower bound, z0. So I'm going to go to chart right now and read. So let me go to chart and read. All right. And I'm going to read from 0. So I'll pull the chart up. And I will be looking for 0 on the left-hand side. Where is z equal to 0? Z is equal to 0 here. You don't have to use negative 0.0. It's still the same. Okay, so it tells me that z0, the lower bound, is 0.5. We already know that because the mean divides the normal curve into 2 equal parts, 5%, or 50%, and 50%, or 0.5. All right, so now I'm going to write it in my, so this is 0.5000. So reading the chart from Z0. Now I'm going to read the chart for the upper bound, 1.28. So I'll go to the chart and find 1.28. All right, 1.28. So I have 1.2 right here, 1.2. So I'm looking for the hundreds, the 100 number, 1.20, 1.21, 1.22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I gotta move it to the right a little bit. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you know you are counting on the horizontal. You're counting on the horizontal. And you start counting from 0. It's 0.20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Therefore, the upper bound in that question is 0.8997. 0.8997. 0.8997. When I subtract, I'll get area between. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. Therefore, the area between 0, the mean, area between 0, the mean, and 1.28 is 39.97%. If you're told to leave your answer in percent. So that's how to read the chart when the question is between. So if you're reading the chart for between, that's how you read the chart. Okay, we're going to read the chart for area to the left. By the way, area to the left is called cumulative area. It's the same as percentile. I haven't mentioned it, but I want to mention it now. So whenever you're told to read area to the left of a normal curve, then you're reading the percentile. Area to the right is not percentile. Area to the right is not percentile. Area to the left is percentile. It can be called percentile. It can be called area to the left. It can also be called cumulative area to the left. All right, so let's use our chart to find area to the left. So I'm going to clean and get another question to find area to the left. All right, so I'm going to get a question to find area to the left. Okay, now this is the question, and then I'm looking for area to the left. Let's see. I need to get out of that bubble there. So let's see the other ones. I told you the other day that they can draw it for you. So they actually do this for me. They want to confuse. If you already know it, they want to confuse you, but that's okay. They will not, because they drew the diagram for you. This is the same thing as area to the left, or you can say probability from, or you can say z-score. What is the probability of z less than or equal to 1.27? 1.27. All right, so it's actually the same. I can put it in my calculator if I want to. I can read the chart. So if I'm reading the chart, all I need to do is pull up the chart. Let's read the chart first. If I read the chart first, and then I will use calculator and compare my answer. So it is 1.27. Let's see. Our question is 1.27. Yeah, let's put 1.27. So I'm going to read the chart first. So now it is 1.2. I read 1.28 before. So actually, this is 1.27. I'm not going to go too far to get this one. So it's 0.8980. And because I'm reading area to the left, there is nothing more to do. I'm reading area to the left, nothing more to do. Therefore, area to the left of 1.27 in my chart, these are not supposed to touch. They are not supposed to touch. Okay, so 1.2 is on the right-hand side of the mean, 1.27 area to the left. All right, so I already found that area to be 0.8980. You will know that it is correct because the total area is 1, but this one is 0.8980. So that's the area to the left. All right. So if you're using the calculator, then you will say normal CDF, negative infinity, e to the power 99, then 1.2701. If you put it in calculator, you get the something. Get the something. All right, let's use the chart to read again area to the right. So we read area between from the chart. We read area to the left. This time we're going to read area to the right. And actually we are done for the day, unless you have a question. So when you go home now, all you're going to be doing is review. Remember to study the PowerPoint, read the ebook, whatever you have to do to master what is in the. I opened the homework. I noticed that the homework, some of them have a wrong date, so I changed the date this morning. So you can now access your chapter 3 homework, and I extended the date, so you don't have to worry about being late. Okay, so let's read area to the right from that worksheet. So I'm going to pull the worksheet up again, and I'm going to actually read this one because see, sometimes they actually ask you a question to confuse you. There is nothing different from here than what we read before. So all you have to do is find the area to the right, area to the right, area to the right, of z equal to, I'm going to clean this one here. Find the area to the right of z equal to negative 0.87. So all you have to do is find area to the left. Subtract 1. So 1 minus area to the left. That's all. 1 minus area to the left. And I will just pull my chart. I'll just pull my chart, and that is 1.27. And I want you to know, let's make sure that it is, yeah. So it is, no, it's just negative 0.87, negative 0.87. So I'm going to go to the chart, negative 0.87. So we're looking for negative, it has to be negative 0.8, 0.80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So the area to the left of negative 0.87 is 0.1922. So I get my calculator, and I'll just put 1 minus 0.1922, and my answer is area to the left. And one thing you need to know, okay, we found my answer is area to the right. And one thing you need to know is, you see that the shaded area is greater. So that is why your answer is greater than 0.5. The shaded area is greater than 0.5. Of course, you know that the area from the mean is 50%. So this answer is greater than 50% because the shaded area is greater. All right, so you don't have to do Z chart on the test.